Hello friends, and welcome to our third video this week as we look at working with functions in Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the SUMIFS function. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So with Excel, you can sum a value based on more than just one criteria. And to do that, we'll make use of the SUMIFS function. So you go to a cell where you want your value located, and then within that, you enter in the equal sign, then start typing sum if. You select the SUMIFS, and then you select the value for which you want to sum. In this case, we want to sum the fare. So come here, select all those values, comma, and then you pass in the first range of criteria. So we want to go by the sex, and we want our criteria to be female. Next, you pass in your second criteria range, and we want to go by the age. So you come to the age column, select all the values, comma, and then we want all those that are less than 49 years. And then we can close the bracket and press enter. So that's your value. Now with the SUMIFS function, you can add as many conditions or criteria as you want. It does not restrict you to one criteria like the SUMIF function does. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.